This brand offers units that feature all aluminum evaporator coils and stainless steel heat exchangers for corrosion resistance, as well as louvered panel construction, which is superior for protecting the condenser coil from mechanical damage due to hail or debris from lawnmowers. They have standard compressor blankets and variable speed blowers for quiet and efficient operation. The DP3GM models combine a basic 13.4 SEER-2 air conditioner with a basic single-stage 81% AFUE gas furnace, while the DP3DM units pair a basic single-stage heat pump with a two-stage gas furnace. The DP5GM models combine a premium two-stage air conditioner with a two-stage 81% AFUE gas furnace. The brand is backed by a very good warranty that includes a lifetime guarantee on the heat exchanger and a 6-year quality guarantee where the entire unit is replaced if either the compressor or heat exchanger fails during the first 6 years after installation. The units use R-410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R-32, and they do not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.